Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Travel and Tourism Bazaar, haka ka khandai terik mentau naiwing arajar kat khandai, kala penpena pai ba, bahkan pelong ya ke jing a jing tep, syaki pai ba ki bakwa banwa jing tep. Halor ki jaka jngok kai perthai ki badan sebar ke jela hakani kari India. U director jong ka kanhon Travel and Tourism Bazaar, u Amit Biswas, haka jing keren berkinang pathai khubor ulai tho, ba ya kani ki jing a jing tep, ka balai sngi syaki pai ba, halor ki jaka jngok kai perthai ki badan sebar ke jela. On sapelong ha All Saints Hall, kabaran ha po IGP Point Shillong, kaban long nadu ka arpau, hadu ka arpau artrek mentau naiwing araja kat khandai. Ya kaba on saple pai baru daulat ke jela u tatha gata roy, u ban solong kongsan hagani ka sngi play.
Uttarakhand Tourism Board, this is Beauty DB. They are coming first time in northeastern part of our country, northeastern part. West Bengal has previously came, Jharkhand has previously came, and Rajasthan is regularly participating in this exhibition. And along with Jammu Kashmir is also coming. This is first time in this is in Shillong. So we are expecting a support from your end, and this few travel agents also coming to participate in this exhibition. It is basically a platform for B2C, business to client direct, B2C basically. The people who are here, this kind of exposure or this kind of exhibition is anybody is not organizing here. So for this reason we are trying this platform to people who are in Shillong. They have got a very good information directly from the government people. So for this reason we are regularly organizing this exhibition. People do not have idea. This is an exhibition on travel. This is totally focused on travel or tourism, focused on tourism. After 3-4 years, we are getting good response. So people are coming directly, people are coming in the exhibition stalls and directly interacting with the officer. The people who are coming from the outside to promote their state, like Rajasthan is coming. Rajasthan joint director is coming and the director is also coming. So if you have any question regarding the Rajasthan, you can directly come to the Rajasthan pavilion and ask regarding the Rajasthan, how we can go, what are the things we can see the Rajasthan. This is, and Uttarakhand also. Uttarakhand means Nainital, you must have seen, you must have heard. Maybe you have seen also Nainital. There is Garhwal also. So Uttarakhand people are first time coming. Now Jammu Kashmir is also coming to promote their state. So this way West Bengal is obviously there. And moreover Meghalaya is your own state, has their own state here also. It's business to client directly because you do not have offices. Today Rajasthan is participating, Jammu Kashmir is participating, Uttarakhand is participating in this exhibition or this platform. They do not have any offices here. Not in Shillong, not in Guwahati. They have offices in 4 metro only. That is Calcutta, Mumbai, Delhi and Chennai. They have offices. But you can also say that there is a Google nowadays. Anything you want to get the information, you just Google and you can get the information. But not every time it is not the perfect that information is Google is passing on. There are the new destination is coming every day. Government is projecting or highlighting new destinations. So that can be also you can get the information from Uttarakhand Tourism. One publicity officer is coming, another officer is coming. So you can get directly the information from Uttarakhand Tourism. If you want to go to Jammu Kashmir, so this is the one-way benefit for the Meghalaya people. You can directly come to the stall and you can directly interact with the person. Yeah, these are my next planning for vacation or year is I want to go to Nainital, I want to go to want to see the snow because in Meghalaya there is no snow-capped mountain. In northeast, only the Arunachal you can get the snow-capped mountain. So you can go to the to see the, and there is also Goa this time is came. After 2 years back, Goa has participated last 2 years. So you can directly contact them because as a Shillong as a mountain and here, so you are always very fond of going to seashore. You are very much keen to go to, because most of the people who are going from Shillong to Calcutta or West Bengal, they are going to either Puri or Digha or Mandarmani. Sometimes you are going for. So, but here directly there is a connectivity from Goa, from Guwahati to Goa, direct connectivity, or Calcutta to Goa as a direct connectivity. So you can also interact with the Goa for the seashore. You can go. There are new destinations. There are new beach. Goa is regularly promoting. So please, you can directly contact or interact with them.